I just want to say thank you so much. I have learned so much with this team, and you know what? I have stick it up every single day. And when you go away, I just wanted to say thank you for your crew because they answer the question. It's not just this is a family.
Right.
The Bruno helps out. Pastor is always that answering a question. This is more than just a trade group. This is a family that care. We help each other. Of course, we all want a money here, but we are all care about each other. We ask each other how each other is doing. And I feel amazing, and I'm here every day, and I want to learn every single thing you guys have to offer. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. We love you, George. I appreciate you being here, buddy.
Coach, you got a couple of hands up too.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I want to say my staff, because I don't know how else to say it, because I feel like they're a part of my company, right? I love these guys, but my family, which is my moderators and everybody that helps, we have the best people, period, anywhere, customer service related. I told you, right? That's all the companies I've ever ran. Everything I've ever done has always been some sort of service operation. I have always prided myself on having the absolute best service anywhere to do anything. And it's because of them that we're getting the service. So big round of applause to all of my amazing family that helps in here. It would be really hard for me to do all of that because of the size we are. It's them that is doing all the work. So thank you.